How to fix could not sign in authentication failed error in your app store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix could not sign in authentication failed error on your app store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is check for your Wi-Fi connection. Swipe down from the top right corner and there you should see your Wi-Fi. Tap on it. And after you're here, you can simply disconnect from your current Wi-Fi and reconnect to a stronger Wi-Fi. Or if you have good Wi-Fi connection, you're good to go. After you do that, check if your airplane mode is on or not as well. Then you can head over to your settings. And on your settings, simply scroll down till you find general. Tap on it. And after you're there, simply scroll down until you find VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After you do that, you can simply disconnect from any VPN if you are connected to VPN as well. After that, head back to your general and there you will see transfer reset iPhone. Tap on it and there tap on reset. Now reset all of your settings, and after you do that, you can restart your device once. After you restart your device once, you should be good to go and your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.